Ever heard of a data analyst who's never touched Power BI? I was just as surprised as you are right now. No Power BI, no Tableau, how did they even get hired? I kept wondering, until I realized something that completely shifted my perspective. Your ability to ask the right questions and solve problems matters more than the tools you use. SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI. These are just tools. But the true value of a data analyst, it's in understanding the business, identifying opportunities, and communicating insights that drive action. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you work for an e-commerce company. Sales are dropping. You pull up the data, it shows declining revenue. But it doesn't tell you why. You could spend hours making dashboard. Or you could talk to customers, analyze their behavior, and realize their most loved product is always out of stock. A competitor is offering better discounts. Shipping delays are frustrating buyers. That's the real work of a data analyst. Not just crunching numbers, but connecting the dots and telling the story behind the data. So stop worrying about learning every tool under the sun. Because businesses don't just hire people who know tools, they hire people who solve problems.